Hello people. So this would be a very short message. I have it's really 5 in the morning. मेरे को calling आ रही थी. There is some urgent guidance, maybe from the spirit team, your spirit team, and मुझे ना I'm getting the message of karmic cleansing. ठीक है? There is something related to karmic cleansing that is ongoing. Something is balancing out. Okay, some of your karmas are closing, literally closing. मतलब even if you have done good, you will be receiving it. Even if you have done bad, the karmic scale is cleansing things. Okay, so yeah, I want to get messages from the cards. Let's see what your guides, what God really has to point out for you. Take care. Okay. So please, we will take 3 to 4 cards. Okay. I sense the energy of judgment. Okay. मुझे बहुत judgment energy आ रही है, like Saturnian energy कि cleanse, aura cleanse. And also some of you, before even I read the card, some of you are feeling कि मुझे बुरी नज़र लगी है, evil eye लगी है. No, it's not. You are not undergoing the evil effects of evil eye, but you are going the evil effects of overthinking. Like 10 of swords energy मुझे feel हो रही है. Like, I feel कि you are so much into your thoughts. You are not able to see the practicality of what is around. ठीक है? We will see the energy. Okay. Didn't I say the 10 of... I love when universe confirms things. Didn't I see the 10 of swords energy? Oh my god. 10 of wands and 10 of swords. इतना क्या burdened हो रहे हो आप? I really need to know. I really need to understand why you are so much in your head, okay? Why you are so much in your head. मुझे strongly आ रहा है कि you are so much into your head. You are making a situation so big. You are making a situation so big. It's not even what it seems. इतना बड़ा है नहीं जितना बड़ा आपके दिमाग ने उस चीज़ को बना दिया है. एंड ये चीज़ ना एक मुझे ये फील हो रहा है कि इट्स ऑल्सो कमिंग कि सम अपॉर्चुनिटी यू सेड नो टू इन द पास्ट. ठीक है, यू सेड नो टू समथिंग इन द पास्ट एंड दैट इज बॉदरिंग यू नाउ. Okay, you are like, I wish I would have grabbed that opportunity. काश मैंने ये उठा लिया होता. आज I would have been आज I would have been in a different position. आज I would have done something good. ठीक है, and you are so much reminiscing the past patterns, the past things. कि इतना आपने इसको दिमाग में बैठा लिया है कि अब तो कुछ ही नहीं हो सकता. You are not seeing and you are not even like seeing the thing that you're gonna be just for so that you are really gonna be successful. Whatever work you are putting in, you are thinking कि ये opportunity तो गई. But the thing is still मैं ये देख रही हूँ आपके अंदर resilience है कि you are doing things, you are working for it and you will get victorious. But इस चीज़ के साथ कैसे, इतना burden लेके कैसे होगा? ठीक है, because your mind is your game, your mind is your plain slate. ठीक है, whatever you say to your mind it amplifies. ठीक है, तो though you are putting in the work, though you are fated, your energy is fated to win. ठीक है, your energy is sort of fated to win, but what are you doing is you are carrying so much of burden in your head that it will delay that win. ठीक है, if something is yours, if something is there, you are putting your work in. ठीक है, nobody can take that away from you. लेकिन dear lovelies, the thing is also you are delaying things when you are pushing it too much in your head. I really want to ask the universe कि I want to little bit focus on a thing कि इतना आप इतने like why you are feeling so lonely, why you are feeling so burdened. I want to specify it with the universe. Please give me. Okay. Also see the card of magician to me, right? The card of magician to me is the card of manifestation. लेकिन यहाँ से मुझे चीज़ पता है क्या आ रही है? ठीक है, I feel कि you are manifesting a little too much. What I mean is you are manifesting a lot. ठीक है, which is good. which is good. But also you're manifesting a little too much and working a little too less. Okay, your guides are really trying to, you see here, your guides are really trying to interact with you. Okay, and I also feel कि there is a necessity to work a little bit more. ठीक है, you are, क्या होता है ना कि when you are manifesting a little too much, we also are into this checks every time कि क्या मेरा manifestation आ रहा है, क्या ये चीज़ मेरे लिए होने वाली है, क्या नहीं होगा, क्या होगा. ओह, अ स्मॉल इंस्टेंस ऑफ फेलियर भी नहीं, एक स्मॉल इंस्टेंस ऑफ कि ये चीज़ वर्क, थोड़ी सी वर्कआउट नहीं हुई. सपोज जस्ट वन एग्जाम्पल, यू आर अबाउट टू गिव एन एग्जाम एंड यू आर लाइक, ओह मेरे मार्क्स में तो अच्छे नंबर नहीं है, बस हो गया मेरा कल्याण, अब तो नहीं होगा. सो यू मैनिफेस्टिंग, which is good, which is very good. You are in the process of creating, alchemizing with your own self to create magic. That's fine. ठीक है, but you also have to come into this energy of King of Wands, somebody who really works for it. ठीक है, योर गाइड्स आर रियली ट्राइंग टू कम्युनिकेट कि ओके आप काम कर रहे हो, ओके आप फेटेड हो. और इससे पता है क्या हो रहा है कि व्हेन यू आर मैनिफेस्टिंग यू नो थिंग्स, एंड थोड़ा सा भी इंस्टेंस आता है ना कि यू नो थिंग्स आर नॉट गोइंग अकॉर्डिंग टू व्हाट आई वांट, यू गेट स्ट्रेस्ड, यू गेट इनटू योर जोन ऑफ अरे यार क्या होगा. बट ये जो अब मुझे सेंस हो रहा है, ये जो मैं कार्मिक बैलेंस देख रही थी बार बार, इट्स इन योर एरिया ऑफ वट एवर यू आर पुटिंग योर एनर्जी इन राइट नाउ, इन योर एरिया ऑफ करियर स्पेसिफिकली. मोस्टली आई एम सीइंग दैट करियर एम्बिशियस एनर्जी. ठीक है, एंड द थिंग इज, तभी मुझे दिख रहा था कि वट यू रिप इज वट यू सो. जो अभी आप करोगे वो वही आपको वापस मिलेगा. ठीक है, सो it's important that you are amplifying your energy of work as well. You have to also prove to yourself and to the universe that I'm working for it. ठीक है, I'm working for it. Just wanting it is very good, but just wanting it is, it's not enough. Okay, what you can really do to you know reduce this burdening energies, to you know work towards your goals. Okay, I really want to know universe, आप मुझे प्लीज़ बताइए, help us all. And also one more card. Okay. You see, this is like Ace of Cups. It's like you know the Three of Swords, the Six of Swords, and the Wish Fulfillment card. Can you literally see this? So the thing is, I see, okay, some of you had a heartbreak. Okay, I see in area of something you had a heartbreak. Okay, and you have somehow successfully moved away from that heartbreak. ठीक है, you are like कि यार हो तो गया, हो गया, ये तो होना था, हो गया. ठीक है, so in any area, I'm not speaking about person or something, I'm speaking something, you know, maybe career में भी heartbreaks होते हैं. When you don't achieve a goal, you get a little bit nervous, you get a little bit disoriented, dissociated. So there is this heartbreak, but it's in reverse. Okay, so I feel you have moved on from that heartbreak. It has happened, you have moved on. लेकिन उसका जो थोड़ा बहुत वो होता है ना, एक shadow होता है कि you're still feeling कि you know, you have this feeling कि sometimes very good things are taken from me. You know, I am strong enough to handle each thing of them. मुझे ये चीज़ आ रही है कि but अच्छी चीज़ें भी तो मेरे पास रहनी चाहिए, which is true. Okay, and there is this guidance कि you know, just because a thing didn't work out, this is reflecting, be it person, be it career wise, this thing is reflecting in your present energy. ठीक है, एंड अभी मुझे समझ आ रहा है कि ये जो आप देख रहे हो फोर ऑफ कप्स, द मिस्ड अपॉर्चुनिटी, द मिस्ड सिनेरियो कार्ड की आई विश दिस वुड हैव हैपेंड. ठीक है, आई विश दिस वुड हैव हैपेंड बट इट डिडंट. ओके, एंड दिस ब्रोक योर हार्ट बट यू वॉकड ऑन एंड यू वर वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग इनफ टू बी एबल टू walk away from this, to be able to carry this, and you know you will emerge victorious. And this is the Nine of Pentacles. To me it's wish fulfillment. So everything you have wanted na, everything you have asked for na, will work out, and this is something I guarantee you. But एक past hurt को लेके, एक past maybe not failure, एक past redirection को लेके यू कैन नॉट जस्ट जस्टिफाई योर करंट बीइंग, बिकॉज क्या हो रहा है ना, मुझे फील हो रहा है कि यू आर मैनिफेस्टिंग लॉट, लेकिन मैनिफेस्टेशन इज कमिंग फ्रॉम अ प्लेस ऑफ डाउट, एंड दैट प्लेस ऑफ डाउट इज कैरिंग अ लॉट ऑफ बर्डन, इज क्रिएटिंग अ लॉट ऑफ बर्डन ऑन यू. आप मैनिफेस्ट तो कर रहे हो लेकिन विद फ्रॉम अ स्पेस ऑफ सर्वाइवल, and you need to really reconsider it, because you have to understand that when cleansing is done, karmic cleansing is done, जो आपके inner wounds है, जो आपके survival instincts है, वो भी resurface करेंगे, and you have to face them whether you like it or not. You will have to face them, ठीक है. and it's only after you face, अगर ये जो heartbreak जो भी आपका हुआ था, ओके, इवन इफ इट हैज़ हैपेंड, अगर इससे भी आपको थोड़ी इनर इनसिक्योरिटी आई है, इफ़ यू हैव सॉर्ट ऑफ फेस सम लेवल ऑफ इनर इनसिक्योरिटी फ्रॉम दिस विल रिसर्फेस, एंड दिस हैज़ टू बी वर्कड अपॉन सो दैट यू आर मैनिफेस्टिंग फ्रॉम अ पॉइंट, बिकॉज जब आप फ्रॉम अ पॉइंट ऑफ बिलीफ, बिकॉज वेन एवर यू डू समथिंग फ्रॉम अ पॉइंट ऑफ बिलीफ, राइट, इट रिटर्न्स बैक टू यू एम्पलीफाइड, ठीक है. सो when you do it from a point of belief, you would want to work more on your dreams, ठीक है. So just believe me, everything is interconnected, every facade of you is literally interconnected, ठीक है. Even your heart breaks, even if a rational or irrational fear that you have will resurface, and it has to be handled so that you are able to manifest from a point of belief, ठीक है. This is the guidance that I get for you. And also I have this another thing, I want to get some messages from the perspective of karmic cleansing. What part of you would be like sort of karmically cleansed? I want to know this. Part of their life would be karmically cleansed. I hear friends, I don't know. Okay, one more. Okay. I love it. Okay. You have a fear, okay, you have a fear of missing out on people, you have a fear of missing out on opportunities, you have a fear of restarting something new, okay, because I see the King of Swords in reverse, the Fool in reverse, and the Five of Cups upright, because आपको डर लगता है चीज़ें नई से शुरुआत करने में, आपको डर लगता है to move towards, you have a now I realize it, you have an innate sense of failure, you have an innate fear of failure, कि मैं अगर कोई चीज़ स्टार्ट करूँगा एंड मैं अगर किसी चीज़ की तरफ चार्ज करूँगा, इफ़ आई चार्ज टूवर्ड्स इट, ठीक है. सो अंडर दैट सर्कमस्टांसिस क्या पता मैं गोल अचीव कर पाऊँ कि नहीं, एंड यू लुक, एंड इसमें ना आप एकदम पूरा सॉर्ट ऑफ क्या बोलते हैं इसको, डिलेमा में चले जाती हो. यू रिफ्लेक्ट बैक अपॉन योर ओल्ड थिंग्स, सर्कमस्टांसेस, कि अरे काश ये कर लिया होता, काश वो कर लिया होता, तो आज मेरा ये प्रॉब्लम नहीं आती, इतना स्ट्रगल्स नहीं होता, एंड ऑल, एंड देन यू फील स्केयर्ड टू स्टार्ट न्यू, यू फील स्केयर्ड टू स्टार्ट समथिंग, ठीक है. एंड दैट वुड बी क्लेंस्ड इन योर कार्मिक क्लेंसिंग, बिकॉज यू विल बी एग्जैक्टली मेड टू डू द थिंग दैट यू हैव बीन रेजिस्टिंग फॉर सो लॉन्ग, बी इट प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर समथिंग, बी इट स्टार्टिंग योर बिजनेस, you will be forced, okay, either you do it on your own, or either the universe will redirect you in their own way to start something that you have been resisting for so long, okay. And also manifest from a point of belief, this is the main gist, you know. एंड उसके लिए आपको अपने डिस्कम्फर्ट में बैठना ही पड़ेगा, जो डर लगता है जिस चीज़ से, अगर वो चीज़ अभी क्लेंज नहीं की, ठीक है, तो कैसे किसी चीज़ नई चीज़ की शुरुआत करोगे, तो कैसे आप कोई भी चीज़ को अपनी ज़िंदगी में लाओगे, ठीक है. इट्स नॉट अबाउट योर पैटर्न्स रिपीटिंग एट दिस पॉइंट, इट्स अबाउट you have to diminish those areas of life that are making you revisit your patterns, और वो आपको करना पड़ेगा. उसके लिए बैठो, लिखो, अपने डर को एक्नॉलेज करो, उससे भागो मत. जस्ट डोंट सिट बिहाइंड द कर्टेन्स ऑफ योर फॉल्ट्स, ऑफ योर पास्ट वर्डिक्स, ऑफ योर पास्ट थिंग्स, ठीक है. उस चीज़ में मत बैठो. whatever has happened, that karma has literally cleared, okay, and it is making space for something new. But past patterns को लेके आप फ्यूचर को भी इनहिबिट कर रहे हो. पास्ट पैटर्न्स को लेके आप फ्यूचर को इस तरह से एट कॉस्ट नहीं रख सकते. So your patterns would be coming, resurfacing again, so that you face them. That will happen. And some spirit guide messages as well. So how we do things. Okay, spirit guides, please guide everyone. Oh, sorry. Okay. My camera just flipped. Okay, I'm sorry. इससे भी मुझे वो आ रहा था, you know, the camera just flipped. It's like whenever you are at the pinnacle of things, कि बस थोड़ा सा और करना है, वो चीज़ हो जाएगी. ओके, बस थोड़ा सा और. जैसे ये वीडियो में मेरे पास थोड़े से और मैसेजेस थे, राइट, एंड इट फ्लिप्ड. सो इट मेंट कि वेन एवर यू आर एट द पिनाकल ऑफ थिंग्स, कि बस ये तो थोड़ा सा पुश करना है, हो जाएगा, यू आर लाइक यू टेक 10 steps बैकवर्ड बिकॉज यू फील बस ये इतना जो लास्ट पुश है वो मेरे से नहीं हो पाएगा. आई विल जस्ट लेट इट बी. So you have left many projects unfinished just because you believed कि मेरे से नहीं हो पाएगा, even when you were just maybe 2-3 steps away from completing that. And this time you have to do it. This time you cannot back out. Option ही नहीं होगा इस बार. I love it when universe does things to confirm. You know, I'm very grateful. We see that you are on the brink of a breakthrough that you have been patiently waiting for. A situation is about to come full circle. What is it if it is not karma? Okay, the lessons have been learned. Okay, this is a win-win situation from me for you. Trust that we are working behind the scenes to ensure the best outcome for you. आप बहुत क्लोज हो किसी चीज़ को क्लोज करने की. यू आर वेरी क्लोज टू अकम्प्लिशिंग अ गोल ऑफ योर्स, पर उससे पहले यू हैव टू यू नो क्लियर आउट बिकॉज यूनिवर्स इज रेडी टू गिव यू. इट्स लाइक बोलो मैं दूंगा आपको, जो बोलोगे वो, लेकिन यू हैव टू क्लियर आउट अ पैटर्न दैट इज़ नॉट मेंट फॉर यू. जो आपके पास सेल्फ ने फेस किया वो आप, मुझे थोड़ी सी मतलब एग्रेशन भी आ रहा है कि बार बार इनको समझाओ कि जो पास्ट में एक बार फेस किया वो अब वापस कैसे आ सकता है. ठीक है, whatever in this is in the past stays in the past. Period. Clock it. So sorry, teenage self, I'm so alive. You see that you are on the brink of a breakthrough. Brink पे हो. Don't go back. सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स जो आपने अनफिनिश्ड लेफ्ट किए हैं, दिस प्रोजेक्ट इज अनलाइक एनीथिंग. यू हैव टू डू इट और यू विल बी मेड टू डू इट. मत छोड़ना. 2 more cards whenever I just need some. I'll take it. Okay. One more. The second card, what did I say? Let go of the old and make way for the new. You may find yourself being distracted by random thoughts, fears, or doubts. Don't allow yourself to be governed by them. Simply observe and choose to take aligned actions and choices. What did I say? Can you see this card? I don't know if you can, but I think you understood the message. It's very self-explanatory. ठीक है कि जो पहले था वो चला गया. अब it's time for you to acknowledge what is new, what is about to come. ठीक है, don't be stuck in the past. It's not meant to be held forever. Okay, the last card. Your life is about to. देखिए ये कार्ड्स कितने सुंदर तरीके से मतलब aligned है. Like we say that things like tarot and stuff, we question things, but I think there is something beautiful about it that the divine tries to connect to all of us via this card. So it's very pretty, very beautiful to me. So you see, we see that you are on the breakthrough of something. Then you have like let go of the old and embrace the new. And then you have the card of your life is about to start moving quickly in some areas. Events that seem to have been on hold suddenly propel forward. Move with the flow and be mindful of what needs your attention most. If you can see the card, don't hold on to things that are not meant to you. ठीक है, एंड आपकी लाइफ बहुत जल्दी क्विकली मूव फॉरवर्ड करेगी. ठीक है, यू विल हैव टू टेक ऑन, आई ऑल्सो सी यू हैव टू टेक ऑन एडिशनल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज इन टर्म्स ऑफ योर करियर. ठीक है, सो यू हैव टू मेंटली प्रिपेयर योर सेल्फ. Okay, so the universe is on your side. You just have to be on your side. Okay, the universe wants you to be on your own side this time. Not give your energy to people. I'm also hearing don't give your energy so much to people. Be a little bit of self-prioritizing, right? I feel people. I also see a lot of people energy. People ने क्या बोला, लोगों ने क्या बोला, लोगों ने क्या सुनाया, उसके according I have to, fix my life around things, that's how I have to be, that's how I have to decide things. No, it doesn't have to be. You have to be just you. It's very uncomfortable at first because we people are inherently conditioned to be a certain way by the society, but it will eventually come and it will eventually flow. But aapko, you have to face yourself first this time so that you are able to face what God is preparing for you. ठीक है, बाय, गुड नाइट. अभी मैं जाऊँगी सोने, बट यस, बाय.